Yep, we done made it back with another one. But look, y'all gotta check this out. Y'all gonna be the first people to know. I don't even know where Latoya went right now, but today we at Mountain Creek. We ain't been out here in a while, but it's a good flowy trail if y'all never been. Right under Denver. I can't even think of the place right now. Sherrills Ford. We're right here at Sherrills Ford. Let me turn around because the sun right behind me. We're right here at Sherrills Ford, Mountain Creek Bike Park. They got a pretty good variety of trails, but mostly it's all flowy. They do have the big circle hub, whatever, but that got some downhill stuff. That's pretty cool. But we're gonna show y'all this right quick. Y'all already know about my EVO stumpy, but we just sold Latoya bike yesterday. The other stump jumper that y'all seen her riding, and we got that bad boy right there. E-bike SL Expert Carbon. Look at that thing there. Carbon bars, 36 stanchion fork, Fox. And she ready. Look at her. Come on. Come on. She ready. We just got to put her seat on. Got the air pressure right. And we about to ride. Go around the pump track. And it kind of started pretty fun. A little bit downhillish. All that good stuff. Get a little down. Latoya in front this time. In that downhill section. Kind of sort of. It's a little flowy downhill, gradual downhill at the beginning. She on that new Carbon Expert e-bike. Y'all seen her on in her last video, but we finally pulled the trigger. Y'all wonder where we got that bike at? It was Lightning Cycles in Hickory. They always look out for you. You need a bike, they'll get you right. Talk to Mike or Mickey, and they'll look out for you. Tell them DeMonte sent you. Right. Blowy. I got 160 travel out here, but either way, no brakes. That's a fun section right here at Mountain Creek. We're gonna catch her. You're supposed to do that. You're supposed to do that. He said, hell no.
That is fun. You got me on that thing, man.
Yeah, I was seeing you going down there.
You might well cut it off.
Well, I guess that's a no for y'all. I went off the trail. Don't follow me. You know, they're following me, y'all. Follow me. You'll be in the bushes. No brakes. No brakes. Oh, yeah, I touched it. Just a little bit.
There goes spray! There goes spray, baby! Go ahead. Oh,
Having time of her life. Let's see how this hill do on that e-bike, y'all. She making it. She making it. The e-bike working out. Good. Now I gotta climb it on my EVO. I need an e-bike too. Catawba County Parks. Mountain Creek Park, there you go. 24 trails. Mostly green and blues. Got 2 blue blacks up there in the hub circle, center hub tree. Fun and flowy for the most part. They got some jumps on those though. I'ma catch you. She got that e-bike, y'all. She beat me up hills, but what y'all say, that e-bike don't help you down. Even though it will. But that's actually an expert carbon bike that what she has, so it actually will. No brakes. A little section. Yeah. That rock Zach jumped over. Yeah. No brakes. No brakes. No brakes. No brakes. Made it to the bridge. We probably gonna keep on going around since it's already pretty late or whatever in the day. But you go across that bridge, and that's where the hub is at, where all the downhill sections is at and stuff like that. And I think it's probably like 7 or 8 trails that go off that hub. And you can just circle around and stuff, but you got a good ride before you get there. Probably around about 4 miles before you get to the hub if you go all the way around like we did. We had 3.5, so you probably at least got another mile or so before you get to the hub. So, all right, y'all. So we did our big loop around right here. Now we about to head on back to the car. You made it back out. A little over 5 miles, so.
I did 6.
She said she loving her 2022 Levo. That's the first gen Levo, which is with 35
You ain't
newton
got to tell
meters.
people what all the how I'm pulling up. Just know I'm pulling up.
35 newton meters.
Now who want to pull beside me? Who want to race? I'm ready. I get on this thing.
That was the first ride since we bought it, and been at Mountain Creek for a while. So yep, good ride.
Signing off.
We out of here. Until the next time, big bodies on bikes.